Wow, massive news just hit the crypto market that will definitely change the course of things forever. One of the biggest players in the financial market has just made a strategic move that could pull the crypto market out of the slump that it is currently in. As a SHIB holder, this is something that would definitely affect you too. So this is that one video that you just can't afford to miss. Disclaimer: if you are even slightly aware of the wider financial market, you must know about Blackrock, one of the largest asset management companies in the world. This organization has its tentacles in many of the largest companies in the world, including Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, and it holds more than $8 trillion in assets. Well, insiders just found some crazy information about this company that nobody could have ever thought of. And of course, this crazy move is crypto related. But before we really dive into that, there's a quick Shiba Inu update that we need to get to. While the wider crypto market has literally been struggling, Shiba Inu has been using this period to build itself. Granted, its price has not yet caught up to all the work that has been going on, but a lot of the work is still largely unfinished, and everyone hopes that when all the work is finished and up and running, the price of SHIB would start to respond positively. The Shiba Inu dev team has been constantly trying to keep the community informed of the rate at which things have been developing. They haven't been giving specific details, probably trying not to get people's hopes too high. But they have kept reminding the community that they are committed to building the ecosystem and are not going anywhere. It's anyone's guess whether these talks have been keeping the community encouraged though. However, Shytoshi has mentioned that, in fact, when the time is right, the next Something Is Coming trailer will blossom into a showcase of the next addition to our ecosystem and slated for early July. I'll tie it all together and show how we have aligned with the best decentralized product that covers governance, IRL, MV, blockchain, AI, and DAOs in a way that simply cannot be done by anyone else on the planet. This sounds like the dev team has really big plans for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and one can only hope that the plans are achievable. By the way, Shytoshi mentioned something about a launch happening in early July. Many Shiba Inu holders think that it has to be Shibarium, and that's because not only is Shibarium the most anticipated project in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, it has been in test mode since March to great success, so launching it in July would not be out of place. That said, there are a number of other Shiba Inu projects that are still in the works that could fit that July timeframe. For one, there are still a number of metaverse hubs that are yet to be launched. And then there is also the fact that the pre-ordered Shiba Inu cold wallets haven't been sent out yet. At this point, we can only wait for the dev team to make an official announcement regarding what will be launched in July. If you found this really valuable, please drop a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, thus helping me to keep increasing the quality of the videos. Now back to Blackrock. Blackrock just made a juicy investment in crypto. In fact, according to @Travis in Flint on Twitter, Blackrock actually made an attempt to invest in crypto at some point last year, but they backed off because the SEC was coming after some crypto companies and they didn't want to be caught in the mix. Now they're back, and what's really interesting about them coming back at this point is that the SEC is still coming after crypto companies. In fact, two of the biggest crypto companies are currently in trouble with the SEC. You might be wondering how exactly Blackrock has been getting into crypto. Well, they have been buying MicroStrategy stock, and MicroStrategy happens to be the largest institutional holder of Bitcoin in the world. It holds about 140,000 Bitcoin worth over $3 billion. So, by investing in this company that is widely known for its Bitcoin collection, BlackRock is automatically investing in Bitcoin. What's more, BlackRock is actually close to filing for a Bitcoin ETF application. According to sources at CoinDesk, they will be using Coinbase custody for the ETF, allowing them to make crypto directly available for institutional investors. However, neither Coinbase nor BlackRock has actually commented on this. So you might want to take this particular piece of information with a pinch of salt. Anyway, like @Travis in Flint, it really makes one wonder whether BlackRock knows something that the rest of us regular people don't know. I mean, this is BlackRock that we're talking about, the biggest asset management in the world. They don't just get into random investments without having done their due diligence and concluded that there would be significant profit in the investment for them. As if BlackRock wasn't enough, some other big financial companies have recently gotten into crypto as well. For instance, both Bank of America, which is the second largest bank in the US, and Fidelity have recently invested in Bitcoin. So what exactly is going on? What information do these big players have about the future of crypto that the rest of us do not have? Well, there's no way to know for sure, seeing as these companies are not exactly posting the reason for their financial decisions. But whatever their reason, it has to mean that they don't consider crypto that risky an asset, doesn't it? I mean, think about it. Now that Binance and Coinbase are in trouble with the SEC, is not a time that regular investors would be considering investing in crypto. But these big companies are investing anyway. Maybe we should be borrowing a leaf from their book. However, bear in mind that this is not financial advice. Anyway, what does any of this have to do with Shiba Inu? Well, a lot actually. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 Shib. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below #ShibaInu. Good luck! First off, if you have been in the crypto market for a while now, you know that Shib usually mimics Bitcoin's movements on the charts. That is, most times when the price of Bitcoin pumps, the price of Shib usually follows suit. This has happened often enough that many people have come to expect it. Knowing this, it might be safe to say that we can anticipate a price bump for Shib soon because Bitcoin would definitely be pumping soon. With some of the biggest companies in the world getting in on the Bitcoin action, all that money going in should pull up the price of Bitcoin. Secondly, these companies investing would give Bitcoin more credibility that could see more regular people invest in Bitcoin. All of these are good for the price of Bitcoin. And as I mentioned earlier, when Bitcoin pumps, Shib would most likely pump as well. Something else to really consider is how many people could be coming into the crypto market thanks to these huge investments. As I mentioned earlier, as more people find out that companies like Blackrock, Bank of America, and Fidelity have invested in Bitcoin, they would start to think of Bitcoin as a more credible investment option, so they would be willing to make investments. However, Bitcoin is the most expensive cryptocurrency in the market right now, so not everyone would be able to get a significant amount of the coin. As a result, they might start to look for alternatives that are more affordable while still being as credible as Bitcoin. Shiba Inu might be the right solution. Thanks to the price dip, Shib is currently more affordable than it has been in a while still being one of the top cryptocurrencies. What's more, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, a lot of work is currently going on in the ecosystem. There's Shibarium that is set to completely improve everything, and there's also the metaverse, the game, and the DAO. All of these prove that Shiba Inu is in the crypto game for the long haul, and people typically gravitate towards investment options that can offer longevity. All things considered, it seems like there are exciting times ahead for Shiba Inu. From the work that the dev team has been putting in, to these huge companies investing in crypto, Shib might be out of the bearish market soon, but only time will tell for sure. That said, please bear in mind that predictions were made in this video and shouldn't be taken as fact. Make sure to do your own research before making any kind of financial investment. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.